Hello students, today I will going to teach you Unit 4 Waiting for Godot written by Samuel Beckett. Today we will discuss the critical appreciation of Waiting for Godot. Samuel Beckett wrote The Waiting for Godot and Samuel expresses the critical appreciation in this novel. Waiting for Godot is one of the most popular novels in the modern age. Waiting for Godot is a shining example of the theater of Absurd. Estragon and Valmir, who two men who are obviously on their luck, find themselves on a lonely country road waiting for a man called Godot who never actually arrives, but who does not send message boys to let them know that he will certainly come tomorrow. Baggett uses Vladimir and Estragon actions to comment on his view of man's relationship to God and to other man. In this novel, two characters, Vladimir and Estragon, wait for Godot too much time in tree. In this view play, we have to each other. In fact, novice viewing this play for the first often fails to note any significant difference between the character for the other. Waiting for Godot is the most frequent statement heard after one has been seen or finished reading a play from the theater of the absurd moment. The beginning of the play, two men, Vladimir and Estragon, meet near tree, have conveys on various topics and reveal that they were waiting for a man named Godot. While they were wait at that time, two other friend named Pozo is on his way to market to sell his slave Lucky. He pauses a while to converse with Valmir and Estragon. Lucky entertain them by dancing and thinking, and then Pozo and Lucky leave. In this novel, the setting is same and the time is same in both acts. Each act begins early in the morning when the Valmir and Estragon wait for the Godot and Godot not come. At the first act come two men, Pozo and Lucky, at the time Estragon trying to take off his boots when Valmir enters. The men greet each other. Vladimir examines his hat while Estragon struggles with his boot. They discuss the version of the story of the two chickens while he eats. Vladimir and Estragon circle around Lucky, inspecting him. They notice a slayer of a knack, begin to ask him questions, but Pozo tells them to leave him alone. Vladimir suddenly explodes with anger at Pozo's treatment of Lucky, but then seems embarrassed at his outburst. Pozo decides to go, but they decides to stay and smoke other pipe. Vladimir wants to leave, but Pozo reminds him of his appointment with Godot. Estragon begins to wonder aloud while Lucky do not put down his bags. Vladimir asks Pozo if he wants to get rid of his Lucky. Pozo responds that he does and it is taking him to the fair to sell him. After some time, Vladimir asks him to tell Lucky to think, but Pozo says that he can't think without his head and he begins to think aloud, spouting a long storm of words and phrases that amount to gibberish, and Pozo and Lucky leave. Lucky dance is merely glumsome shuffling, which is complete disappointment to Vladimir and Estragon. Lucky of speech is an attempt, however, futile make statement about man and God. And Pozo and Lucky departed and Vladimir realized that he is glad that episode helped pass the time. Constantly, the two are faced with finding some of the way passing the time while waiting. Even though Estragon philosophically points that the time would have passed in any case, any phase, thus the entire episode seemingly has no real significance to them. They questions to the boy deliver him message. Me, Godot told me to tell you wouldn't come this evening, but surely tomorrow. The tramps questions the boys about me. Godot told me to tell that he want to come to the evening, but surely tomorrow. Me, Godot does not beat him, but he does not beat the boy brother. Goddard is equated with the god. The boy says that Goddard is not come today, they come surely tomorrow. The boy messenger go and Vladimir and Estragon happen the alone. At the time, Estragon that I have wait for the Goddard and they surely come tomorrow. Estragon almost forgotten the appearance of Pozo and the lucky expect for the bone. He was given to Granon. The wound on the Estragon leg in turn causes Vladimir to notice that Estragon does not have his boots on the confidently. There is a pair of boots lying on the ground, but Estragon does not have his boots on coincidentally. There is a tree whom near stand the Estragon and Vladimir was threatened, and they sleep near the tree. There even the attempts arrive at the conclusion totally exhaust them. After some time, Pozo and Lucky arrived suddenly and without warning, and the first act Pozo and Lucky came back to the stage. The arrival puts on the end to Valmir and Estragon games. Something tells him to be here at the same time with his friend Estragon and while waiting for Goddard. Furthermore, he is aware of the misery, a disquietedness which he can't understand. Life seems as through it is asked of a grave, and there is a difficult birth for the grave digger puts on the fair races. While the arrival of the Pozo and Lucky, Walmer and Estragon think that they help him arrive for the Goddard, but they soon realizes that it is just Pozo and Lucky. Estragon wants to leave them, but Walmer must remind his ones that they can't do this statement clarify the idea that the Walmer Estragon represents all mankind units relationship to God. Vladimir Vladimir discovers two things that Goddard does nothing, and that he has a right beer. Since God is sometimes viewed as a supreme identity, doing nothing and passes things long, while since Goddard is God, there can be little or no hope for good interventions in the affair of the man. Instead, man must continue to stumble through this mischief. This ask can of award. Valmis tells the boy, inform Mr. God did Daddy, you saw me. Valmith is so insistent on the fact that the boy has indeed seen him that he makes a sudden spring towards the frightened the boy messenger, and the sun sets and the moon rises, indicating that another day of waiting for Goddard has passed. Estragon awakens and wants to leave this dissolute place, but past Estragon awakens and wants to leave this dissolute place, but Valmir reminds him that they have to wait for Goddard. When Estragon awakes and wants to leave this desolate place, but Valmir reminds that if they did, Goddard drop and leave. Valmir reminds Estragon that if they did, Goddard would. Estragon once again brings up the subject of their hanging themselves with the wart that holds up with tested the care breaks. The ending of the act, we have one final example of dispiriting between the characters' words action. And since both acts are so identical and so circular, should be obvious that tomorrow we will find the two tramps back at the place waiting for Goddard. Themes of Waiting for the Goddard, thematical concept of Samuel Beckett. Theme is an idea that pervades a novel, play, or poem. Waiting for Goddard contains most complex and interesting theme. Samuel Beckett wrote this play with a new style, but his thematic concept was not different from the other writer. However, there is a kind of diversity in the theme of Waiting for Goddard. Lots of subjects are covered in this play. Its single theme, nothing is to be done, gets good attention. Samuel Beckett shows a purposefulness life. Does not have any story or plot. Therefore, success of the Waiting for Goddard is dependent only on its remarkable themes. Following are some major themes that Samuel Beckett presents in Waiting for Goddard. Nothing is to be done, importance of hope, suffering, absurdity, difference in a human race, relationship, existentialism, themes of meaningless and nothing to be done in a waiting for Godhead. Nothing to be done is the most criticized theme for waiting for Godhead. It is a play in which nothing happened twice. We can't deny that nothing happened in this play. Estragon and Valmid enter on the stage, talk, performs useless action and exit. Second act is the copy of the first act with the minute difference of the dialogues. In whole play, one asks a question to the other, what to do. Other replies, nothing to be done. It starts with the same dialogues. Play goes on depicting in the theme and finally ends with nothing. Symbolically, this theme has much importance. It defines the journey of the life, a journey of nothingness or to nothingness. We come in the world, but what is our purpose here? What is our identity? Samuel Beckett does not answer these questions. Instead, he asks from the audience. He himself does not know the answers. Even every person in this world is like Estragon and Balmig, who is waiting for something, but most of the time he can't get what he wants, and life ends just like the play ends. Both the act of the play ends with despair. Nothing happens in them, nothing to be done, illustrates a meaningless life. Meaninglessness of life. How is meaninglessness? Newton came in the world and presented law of motion. What is life meaningless? Was his life meaningless? Most of the us probably answers negatively. His law are helpful for the whole world. Then how his life was meaningless? Well, Newton law are meaningless for him now. Not for us, but for him. He died and took nothing with him. His law are no more helpful for him in this world, meaningless for him. As mentioned earlier, life is journey for nothingness to nothingness. It is much difficult to understand meaninglessness. Let's try to understand situation of Estragon and Valmid with an example. Importance of hope. Without hope, there is nothing in life. Optimism comes to an end without it. Thus, hope is necessary if one wants to live. This play also depicts this importance theme. It is forces upon the twice on the importance of hope. Estragon and Valmig has nothing to be done, yet they are hopeful. It is only hope due to which they are alive and waiting for God. God may be help or may be God. But one thing it is clear that both of them are hopeful about the future. They think that God will come and change their lives. The play ends with a nothingness, but wait and hope never ends. Estragon and Vladimir will come again tomorrow at the same places waiting for the Godhead until he arrives. In this play, hope is one of the major themes of waiting for Godhead. Suffering of life. Suffering of life. God. Suffering also falls in category of major themes for waiting for Godhead. We witness suffering of Valmid and Estragon in this play. They are living a miserable life. Estragon has become beaten by the stranger every night, but he is helpless. God has created this world and has forgotten it after creation. It seems that Samuel Beckett has given this message to the audience. Apart from the Estragon and Vladimir, Lucky is also suffering. His life is more miserable than them. Suffering of a slavery class are evident in the play. We can say that Estragon and Valmik are responsible for the miserable condition, but Lucky is a slave. He can't help himself. He can just wait for the good time. That is only death. Perhaps he could find something good in the afterlife. But in this life, he can't get peace. Vladmir's speech in this content is helpful. I was sleeping while the other suffered, and I am sleeping now. Tomorrow, when I wake up, or the other thing I do, what shall I say of today? Can't go on. What have I said? Waiting for God. Existentialism. Theme of absurdity and ridiculousness in waiting for Godhead. Beckett shows that the world of a way of escaping from suffering of the life. Life can spend like Estragon and Vladimir, doing nothing, having irrational behavior, passing the ball and act ridiculously. Perhaps absurdity is the only way to get through the life. It is a method to avoid criticism, and it is said to that the best way to avoid criticism is to do nothing. Personally, I think that it is the most difficult way to get through life. While doing nothing and repeatedly silly actions, one preferred absurdity over existentialism. Anyhow, he can show a way to go through that absurdity. Difference in human races. Difference in human races is also evident in this play. This theme is the importance of its own. Lucky is a symbol of the slavery class, whereas Pozo refers feudalism. These characters presents two types of human races. One is miserable, where second is happy. Samuel Beckett has shown the inferiority of the lower class, superiority of the upper classes. Theme of relationship. It is another important for the Waiting for Godot. Samuel portrays different type of human relationship. There are four kind of individual in the play. Every character is separate identity. Individually, they refer something in the relationship, they indicate something else. Valmid problems are mental, Estragon physical, Pozo and Lucky are presented to show the two races of man. But when these individuals are put into relationship, they perform an important role. Nevertheless, three types of relationship are there in the play. Relationship between the Estragon and Vladimir, association of Pozo and Lucky, relationship of Estragon and Vladimir with Godot. Existentialism. It is a wider topic, need explanation. Existence is the most important theme or Waiting for Godot. In order to understand this theme, we must have knowledge about the theory of existence. However, the simple word it means that every person is responsible for his action and no second person is pulling his strings or controlling his fate. In other words, existentialism emphasizes the existence of the individual person as a free. Estragon, Vladimir, Pozo, Lucky. Are they all free? They himself responsible for their action? Can't say yes nor can say no. Lucky is not free. A person who is slave from the childhood can't do anything to the change his life. People beaten Estragon every night and he is helpless. Existentialism in literature, movement in literature and philosophy. In a nutshell, The Waiting for the Godot has many remarkable themes. Samuel Beckett has closely observed life, therefore, every theme is related to life and reality. There are some other important themes of the play, such as religion, mortality, waiting, ignorance, impotence. The theme of The Waiting for Godot directly strike mind of the audience and gave him this play a good success. It seems that Samuel Beckett very minutely and after experiments has rendered various themes in Waiting for Godot. Hence, there is no denying the fact that themes given to this play is striking success.